the macroeconomic fundamentals of any country, which are going to determine what the level, the price, the band of the economy is. Well, yes, you see, from the peak, dollar has depreciated, by about 10% this year, and now it is, moving range bound. The Indian rupee has, on the other hand, it's not appreciated as much vis-a-vis, the dollar, whereas most of the other currencies this year post Liberation Day, they have appreciated. Now, this is on account of one, we have higher tariffs. That's 50%, is the largest tariffs that we have. And on the other hand, there have been, capital outflows as well. This is also to be seen in the context of the outperformance of both the Indian rupee and the Indian equities prior to Liberation Day, say since till 2024. The Indian equities and the Indian rupee actually outperformed others. So in a way, in some sense, it's also a correction. But insofar as volatility is concerned, without going into levels, we in the Reserve Bank, we do not, as I mentioned earlier, we do not, our stated policy is not to target any price level or any price band, and let the markets actually in India are quite deep, quite wide, and we have a very robust and mature market. So believe in the markets to decide what the level should be. We do so our effort really is to ensure that there is an orderly movement of the rupee, both sides, and any undue or any abnormal volatility is curbed. As I mentioned, levels are going to be decided by the macroeconomic fundamentals, the capital flows, more importantly the current account flows, and so what it means now with more and more countries becoming inward looking, global growth being kind of subdued, still much below the pre-pandemic levels. What it means for all of us is that we look structurally as to how we improve our own competitiveness, our productivity, so that we are not only able to expand exports, we are able to diversify exports, and we are able to get some good durable capital inflows. That's what is going to decide how the rupee or the local currency is going to actually behave. Indian macroeconomic fundamentals are very strong.
Pretty strong, yeah.
As those who are following India would be knowing, on the current account we have a deficit of only about 1% on an average. Last year it was only about 0.6% or so of GDP, and we had a twin balance sheet problem, as some of you would be aware.
Yes.
Both the corporates and the banks. And now, in fact, both of them are
very healthy, right?
They are very healthy. Corporates, as well as corporates, are flushed with funds, waiting for investment. Some of green shoots we see over there.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.